my preferred way to bulletproof a 6-liter diesel engine. That would be, of course, with the fire-ringed DK engine cylinder heads to start out with. These are thicker casting, Statite valve seat inserts, and just a more robust head than the original Ford 6-liter heads that came on these trucks. This is going to be our engine that we're tearing down here, and when we get done here, I'll show you the engine that we will be building. These are some of the parts that will go into this motor. You know, this is the oil cooler housing getting cleaned up, and we don't put the factory oil cooler screens in there. We put these stainless steel oil cooler screens underneath our oil coolers. We'll be getting a new front cover, and we'll be cleaning up the upper decks and putting in a new rear main crankshaft from Ford. The mall head gaskets, brand new camshaft. This is the old one, but we'll be getting a brand new Ford camshaft, all new Ford push rods. The new updated intake and exhaust rocker arms, brand new updated standpipes for the injection system, and of course, gotta have the ARP head studs. Wouldn't be a bulletproof diesel build without the ARP head studs. As you can see, we use nothing but the Ford and Motorcraft parts on our engine builds. I like the Lucas Oil Assembly Lube for lubrication as I'm building. And let's show you how this motor is going to be built over here. This is the new front engine cover that will be going on this engine, as you can see. Right on there, beautiful. I love new parts. New gaskets and seals, all Ford parts with a new Ford oil pump. Brand new mall pistons. And this motor, of course, we take our engine blocks, send them to the machine shop, we have them checked for cracks with MagnaFlexing, and then if they're good, we resurface them, top and bottom, inside and out. Brand new mall pistons, custom fit with all new melting lifters, Ford camshaft, and of course we use the good international Ford diesel engine silicone to keep these from leaking oil in your driveway. You'll have nothing but the best built here at HB Diesel.